If you're looking for directions on how to make your very own fleece poncho for your bug out bag, that's exactly what we're going to do today. Stay tuned. Hello friends and family, thanks for checking in. For anyone new, my name is Russell Liston and I'm here to help you as you prepare every needful thing. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I'd like to invite you to do so. Today we are going to make a fleece poncho. This poncho is part of my clothing system for my bug out bag. If you would like to see the other videos in this clothing system, I'll leave a link below for you to check those out. This MYOG or Make Your Own Gear project is an awesome family activity. Just keep an eye on that Sharpie marker, we don't want to have any accidents. This project should cost around $15 to make depending on the fabric you choose and take about 15 minutes to make. The only skills that are needed are measuring, marking, and cutting. I love this project because no sewing machine is required, so that's perfect for me. I have two recommendations before you begin this project. The first is watch the entire video so that you understand the process, and number two is print off the design sheet that I have made so you'll have a place to put your measurements. You can find a link in the notes below. Here are the tools that we'll be using for this project. A pair of scissors, a measuring device, a marker, about 4 feet of string, and a straight edge of some sort. I want my fleece poncho to be slightly smaller than my rain poncho, so I need to measure my rain poncho first. Today I'm going to be using the SOL Heat Reflective Poncho. Remember to use your design sheet to put your measurements on. Measuring the rain poncho from side to side, it's approximately 58 inches wide. And from top to bottom is approximately 38 inches in length. I will double the length for the front and back for a total measurement of 76 inches. To keep the fleece poncho from getting wet, we will be making it 4 inches smaller than the rain poncho on the width and length. This will make the fleece poncho 2 inches smaller all around. So in my case, I will be making my fleece poncho 54 inches wide by 72 inches long. Now let's get some fabric. In this example, I need 72 inches or 2 yards of fabric. Yours should be similar, but get what you need depending upon your rain poncho. All the fabric I have bought has been between 60 to 62 inches wide, and then I have it cut to length. So that works perfect since I only need it to be 54 inches wide. The extra 6 to 8 inches you cut off makes a great scarf for your kit. Choosing the fabric is where you can make it fun for your kids, because the fleece options are almost endless. So have some fun and let your kids choose their own style, or you can just get them gray. Okay, now we've got our fabric and our tools, let's make this thing. Lay your fabric out on the ground. Measure the actual width and length of your fabric. My fabric is 62 inches wide by 72 inches long. Mark that on your design sheet. Measure and mark the width of your fleece poncho. For me, that is 54 inches. Take a straight edge and draw a line, then cut it off. When it comes to cutting, just cut on the inside of the marker line for the cleanest look. Do the same for the length of the fabric. Since mine is already 72 inches, I don't need to cut any off. Now we need to find the center point of the fabric. To do this, take the fleece poncho width and divide it by 2. For me, that's 27 inches. And now the fleece poncho length and divide it by 2. For me, that's 36 inches. Measure and mark the middle point of the fabric with your marker. We will now be marking the outer radius of the poncho. Using the center point length measurement, for me, that's 36 inches. From the center point, measure out and mark a few locations for a reference. Looks like I'm going to be right on the edge. Now take your 4-foot string and tie a knot around your marker. Hold one side of the string on the center mark. Allow the marker to be on the length mark. Then using the string as a guide, mark the radius of the bottom of the fleece poncho. Be careful not to draw on the ground. Repeat these steps for the other side. Then cut the marked radius line off of both sides. Now let's make a hole for your head. Take a 3-inch circle and place it over the center mark. Trace around with a marker. This will be your head hole. I'm using a roll of tape for my guide. Now let's cut out the head hole. To make the head hole a little bigger, cut a 2 to 3 inch slit from the center of the circle towards the center of the outer radius. This will help you get it on a little easier. The fabric has some stretch to it, that's why I like to start small and then cut more if needed. Try it on. If the head hole is a little tight, take it off. You can cut the hole a little bigger or the slit longer, then try it on again. Repeat until it fits. Wasn't that cool? You now make your own gear. Congratulations! I would love to hear how this went for you and any comments you might have. Please leave some notes in the comments below. Thank you. Today's thought is by Howard Ruff. He said, "It wasn't raining when Noah built the ark." Thanks, Howard. That is a deep thought. If you liked this video, please let me know by clicking that thumbs up button. And if you still haven't subscribed, please do. Once again, I would like to thank you for your time, and may God bless you as you prepare every needful thing. Thank you.